We're going racing on the phone.
You're already taking people out.
Good. Cross down, start to the front is clear. Richard Cantu coming out of that first lap clean. He's your leader. In the clear truck heading through the sweeper, followed by Jimmy and Lauren. Those will be the top three qualifiers. Front wheel drive, A lane number 1, race 4. You guys are up next. Front wheel drive. Get them ready. Go see Don. All right, we're Euro Truck racing heads up here in the main. Qualifying been put to bed. 45 seconds down, 4:15 to go. Richard Cantu, Jimmy Johnson, and Lauren Smith. Let's find them on the track. They are on the driver's right, heading down the back straight. Hank's going to need help getting out. There you go. Got Hank. Lauren's coming up on Hank. That's your third place truck in the picture.
You did that one.
You can probably get through right there. There you go. Alright. Dylan Alonso, your series champ. After the last couple wins in Exeter, he's heading down the back straight in the blue and green. He's running 4th right now. He's trying to get to Lauren. He's 3rd. Jenny down the back straight in the blue and black is 2nd. And they're facing Richard Cantu. He's right here in front of the driver's seat. Jimmy, Jack, and Magnus over there correcting each other. Jimmy is moving Richard a little bit now. That's your race for the lead going across the start-finish line right now. You hear some grinding coming out of somebody's foot. Uh-oh.
Better get together.
I know. So the speed wobble and a roll for Jimmy in the blue and black. Oh boy. Watch over the corner, Marshall on the left. Sorry, I should have called it. Track is clear on the left. As they are. Caden Paint heading into turn 1. Jack rolls it. Jimmy and Lauren go by. Here comes Dylan Ford truck. Traffic jam heading down the back straight. 2:45 down, 2:15 to go. Richard Cantu, the comfortable 8-second lead now. Jimmy Johnson back to 3rd, Lauren is sitting 2nd. There's Jimmy on the start-finish line. Thank you. That was a hard lift right here.
Yeah.
Something's out. Is that a battery? What is that?
No, it's my fan.
All right.
Thank you.
Richard, your leader. Little traction roll there. Brings yourself out. This is Euro Truck, entry-level racing here at Finish Line RC Raceway, affordable truck. To ride in the Track Time Hobby Shop if you're interested, checking the class out. 3:40 down, 1:20 to go. Front wheel drive is up next. Set out to the right. 1 minute to go, drivers. 1 minute to go. Your race for 3rd is on and 2nd. Dylan is reeled in. Lauren just about 2 seconds behind him. Yeah, there they are going across the finish line. That is your race for 2nd.
Oh, Jack, don't do this.
Jack did
No,
help
I'm
a
in
little
3rd.
bit.
I'm chasing him down.
So Lauren in the purple. Actually, this is your overall race right here. Richard, Lauren, and Dylan going across the start-finish line right now. Top 3 trucks are a big 2.5 seconds of each other as they race down the back street, 1st through 3rd. Here comes Dylan the champ, and not so fast. Richard and Lauren, 15 seconds to go. This might be their last lap. This could be their last lap. Dylan gets by Lauren for 2nd. He's got a shot at